Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into the amazing health benefits of one of the most versatile and beloved foods in the world, potatoes. We all know and love potatoes, whether they're mashed, baked or fried. But did you know that beyond their deliciousness, potatoes are nutritional powerhouses? Yep, you heard that right. These humble spuds are packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants that can significantly benefit our health. Throughout this video, we'll explore 10 surprising health benefits of incorporating potatoes into the diet. We'll dispel common myths and uncover the truth about these incredible tubers. And trust me, some of these benefits might just blow you away. So stick around until the end of the video where I'll reveal one particularly surprising benefit of eating potatoes that you probably haven't heard of before. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the impressive nutritional profile of potatoes. These starchy wonders are loaded with essential vitamins and minerals that are crucial for maintaining overall health. One medium-sized potato contains a significant amount of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps boost immunity and protect against cellular damage. They're also a good source of B vitamins, especially vitamin B6, which plays a vital role in brain function and energy metabolism. And let's not forget about potassium. Potatoes are an excellent source of this essential mineral, which is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure, muscle function, and fluid balance in the body. So next time you're looking for a healthy and nutritious side dish, go ahead and reach for a potato. It's a delicious and convenient way to fuel your body with essential nutrients. Moving on to another fantastic benefit of potatoes, their ability to improve digestive health. Potatoes, particularly when cooked and cooled, are a good source of resistant starch, a type of fiber that acts as a prebiotic. Prebiotics are essentially food for the beneficial bacteria that reside in your gut. They help nourish these good bacteria, allowing them to flourish and promote a healthy gut microbiome. A healthy gut microbiome is crucial for overall health, as it plays a role in digestion, nutrient absorption, immune function, and even mental health. By promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, potatoes can contribute to a healthier and happier gut. So, if you're looking to improve your digestion and boost your gut health, consider adding more potatoes to your diet. Your gut will thank you for it. All right, let's talk about your ticker, the heart. It's the engine room of your body, and keeping it healthy should be a top priority. You know what can lend a helping hand? You guessed it, potatoes. Now, before you picture a giant plate of French fries covered in gravy, hold on. We're talking about enjoying potatoes in a healthy way. One of the key reasons potatoes are good for your heart is their potassium content. Potassium is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in regulating blood pressure. Think of it as a natural relaxant for your blood vessels, helping them stay nice and loosey-goosey. This, in turn, reduces the strain on your heart, allowing it to work more efficiently. And there's more. Potatoes, especially the skins, are also a good source of fiber. And no, I'm not just talking about helping you stay regular, although that's definitely a thing. Fiber actually binds to cholesterol in your digestive system and helps flush it out, preventing it from clogging up your arteries. Less cholesterol, happier heart. So next time you're planning your meals, remember that incorporating potatoes in a healthy way can contribute to a healthy heart. Remember that a happy heart is a happy you. And let's not forget, potatoes are incredibly versatile. You can bake them, boil them, mash them, or roast them. Each method can bring out different flavors and textures, making it easy to include them in your diet without getting bored. Plus, they pair well with a variety of other heart-healthy foods like leafy greens, yummy beans, and healthy fats. I particularly enjoy them baked and topped with broccoli and sriracha, so don't shy away from this humble vegetable. Embrace it and let it help you on your journey to better heart health. After all, taking care of your heart means taking care of your whole self. So here's to a heart-healthy life, one delicious potato at a time. Let's face it, managing weight can be a real challenge. It often feels like an uphill battle with so many temptations around us. But what if I told you that a humble potato could actually be your secret weapon? Yes, the same potato that often gets a bad rap. You heard that right? Potatoes can be a game changer in your weight management journey. Potatoes, when consumed in a healthy way, can actually be helpful for weight management. Think baked, boiled, or steamed, and unfortunately, not fried. One of the key reasons is their impressive fiber content. Fiber is essential for a healthy diet and plays a crucial role in weight management. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that your body can't digest. It passes through your digestive system, aiding in digestion and promoting a feeling of fullness. It acts like a bulky sponge in your digestive system, absorbing water and making you feel fuller for longer. This can help you avoid unnecessary snacking. This can be incredibly helpful for managing your appetite and preventing overeating. And there's more. Potatoes have additional benefits. Fiber also slows down the digestion process, which is beneficial for your overall health. This means your blood sugar levels rise more gradually after a meal, helping to maintain stable energy levels. This is in contrast to refined carbohydrates like white bread or sugary drinks, which can cause rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar. These rapid spikes and crashes can lead to cravings and overeating, making weight management even more challenging. By choosing potatoes over less nutritious options, you can avoid these pitfalls and stay on track. So, by incorporating potatoes into your meals in a balanced way, you can enjoy their benefits without the guilt. You can take advantage of their fiber power to help you feel fuller, manage your appetite, and reduce the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. With these strategies, you can stay on track with your weight management goals and lead a healthier, more balanced life. Let's talk about immunity. Your immune system is like your body's own personal army, constantly fighting off invaders like bacteria and viruses to keep you healthy. And just like any good army, it needs the right supplies to function at its best. One of those essential supplies is vitamin C, and guess what? Potatoes are a surprisingly good source. We often associate vitamin C with citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits, which are definitely great sources, but don't underestimate the humble potato. One medium-sized potato actually provides about half of your daily vitamin C needs. So how does vitamin C actually support your immune system? Well, it acts as an antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals. But it also plays a crucial role in the production and function of white blood cells, which are the soldiers of your immune system, fighting off infections and keeping you healthy. We all know potatoes are great for a delicious meal, but did you know they also pack a powerful punch when it comes to skincare? You heard that right. Those potato peels we often discard are actually loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can do wonders for your skin. One of the key players here is vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps protect our skin from damage caused by those pesky free radicals we're always hearing about. Free radicals can lead to premature aging, wrinkles, and who wants that? So next time you're prepping potatoes, think twice before tossing those peels in the trash or the compost bin. Now, I'm not saying to rub potato peels directly on your face, although I should probably do a bit of research on that. But there are some DIY masks out there. You can incorporate potatoes into your diet or look for skincare products that harness the power of potato extracts. Remember, taking care of your skin is an essential part of overall health and well-being. And who knew that the humble potato could be your secret weapon for that healthy glow? We all know calcium is crucial for strong bones. It often takes center stage when we talk about bone health, and for good reason. But there's another mineral that plays a critical supporting role: magnesium. Think of it like this: calcium lays the foundation for strong bones, and magnesium helps to solidify that structure, ensuring it remains robust and resilient. Now, where do potatoes fit into all of this? Well, they're a surprisingly good source of both calcium and magnesium. While they may not be the first food that comes to mind when you think of bone-building foods, they can certainly contribute to a well-rounded diet that supports bone health. Incorporating potatoes, especially with the skin on, into your meals can provide a boost of these essential minerals. And remember, it's not just about getting enough calcium and magnesium. It's about ensuring your body can effectively absorb and utilize these minerals. That's where vitamin D comes in, the sunshine vitamin. Adequate vitamin D levels are crucial for calcium absorption, so make sure you're getting enough sunlight or speak to your doctor about a vitamin D supplement, especially during those gloomy winter months when sunlight is scarce. While calcium and magnesium are essential for bone health, it's important to remember that a holistic approach is key. Potatoes also offer other nutrients that contribute to overall well-being, which indirectly supports strong bones. For example, potatoes are a good source of potassium, as mentioned earlier, which plays a role in maintaining bone mineral density. They also provide vitamin C, an important antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage, including bone cells. Think of it like this: just like a building needs a strong foundation, walls, and a roof to stand tall, our bodies need a variety of nutrients to maintain strong and healthy bones. So enjoy your potatoes as part of a balanced diet, along with other bone-boosting foods like leafy greens, cruciferous veggies, particularly broccoli and cauliflower, beans and tofu. And don't forget the importance of regular exercise, especially weight-bearing exercises, to keep bones strong and healthy for years to come. Regular physical activity not only strengthens muscles, but also stimulates bone formation, making it a crucial part of any bone health regimen. Activities like yoga and stretching can also improve flexibility and balance, reducing the risk of falls and fractures. And let's not forget hydration. Drinking plenty of water helps maintain the health of your bones and joints. A colorful, varied diet, rich in fruits and vegetables, provides a spectrum of nutrients that work together to support bone health. So make sure to include a variety of foods in your diet, stay active, and enjoy the benefits of strong, healthy bones. Inflammation. It's a word we hear a lot these days, but what does it actually mean? In short, inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or infection. It's a vital part of the healing process. However, when inflammation becomes chronic, it can wreak havoc on your body, contributing to various health problems like heart disease, arthritis, and even certain cancers. So, what can we do to combat this silent threat? Well, diet plays a significant role. Certain foods can actually exacerbate inflammation, while others have anti-inflammatory properties that can help to calm things down. And guess what? Our trusty potato friend falls into the latter category. Potatoes, particularly those with colorful flesh like purple potatoes, contain antioxidants called anthocyanins, which have been shown to possess anti-inflammatory effects. It's important to note that while potatoes can be a helpful addition to an anti-inflammatory diet, they're not a magic cure. Reducing inflammation often requires a multifaceted approach that includes a healthy diet, regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep. All of these are a huge champion against health and body maladies. All right, folks, let's talk about blood pressure for a sec. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a silent killer. You might not even know you have it, but it puts you at risk for heart disease, stroke, and all sorts of nasty stuff. Now here's where our humble potato friend comes in, yet again. Potatoes are a great source of potassium, a mineral that plays a vital role in regulating blood pressure. You see, potassium helps your body get rid of excess sodium, which is known to raise blood pressure. Think of it like this: potassium is like the bouncer at a club, keeping that rowdy sodium in check. And trust me, we want and need that bouncer around. So, by incorporating potatoes into your diet, you're essentially giving your body an extra hand in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Do remember to always consult your doctor before making any major dietary changes, won't you? Especially if you have underlying health conditions. Now, this next benefit might come as a surprise to some of you. Did you know that those spuds you love can actually boost your brain power? That's right, folks. Potatoes can enhance your cognitive function and mental clarity. It all boils down to those amazing carbohydrates. Now, I know what you're thinking, but carbs are bad, right? Wrong. Our brains actually rely on glucose, which is a type of sugar, for energy. And guess what carbohydrates break down into? You got it, glucose. When you eat potatoes, your body breaks down the carbohydrates into glucose, providing your brain with the fuel it needs to function at its best. This means improved focus, better memory, and enhanced cognitive performance. So, next time you're feeling mentally sluggish, ditch the sugary energy drinks and grab a healthy serving of potatoes instead. Your brain will thank you for it. Well, there you have it, folks. 10 surprising health benefits of potatoes that you probably didn't know about. From boosting your immune system to enhancing your brain function, this humble spud is a nutritional powerhouse that deserves a spot on your plate. Remember, a healthy diet is the key to a happy life. So, ditch the processed foods, embrace whole, natural ingredients like potatoes, and start fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they can discover the amazing benefits of potatoes too. Stay healthy, stay curious, and stay happy. Bye-bye for now.